The Be Healthy 100 Health Fair is coming up this weekend. It is a team effort by two power forces. Joining us this morning is Ms. Courtney Hunt, who is the president of the National Coalition of 100 Black Women Metro Baton Rouge, and then also Dr. Kelly, who of course is with the Southern University Ag Center and is part of the USDA. Thank both of you all for coming in with us this morning. So first I want to start with, what is it, because it's BEE, so let's just start there. What does the BEE stand for? What is that all about?
That was just a cute branding thing that we did to remind people to be healthy.
Okay.
And we started that about 2 years ago. So we've always, of course, promoted health as one of our initiatives. And the health fair we started 2 years ago, and so this will be our third year having this health fair.
And Dr. Kelly, I see that you actually have your little bee on your little,
Yes,
your little brochure. So what made you actually want to, of course, get involved with this particular event?
Well, you know, this is so important, the partnership that we have with 100 Black Women, because as a community, and when I say community, I mean everyone, we're a community of human beings. We need to create our villages. We need to have partnerships that promote health and wellness, and this is an excellent way to do that. So we're really excited about this partnership.
Okay, so Ms. Tell us all about this Be Healthy Fair, because it's this Saturday, right?
Yes, it is going to be so fun, okay?
Okay.
So we're looking at the whole person. So we're going to have everything for people, for seniors, all the way to the kids.
Oh, wow.
We're going to have two panels. One is going to be on mental health. The second one is going to be on maternal health. And then the final one is going to be jig aerobics.
Ah,
all right,
fun.
so we're going to get lit while
I've
we get
never heard
fit.
of jig aerobics, though. I mean, I'm sure it sounds like fun, probably a lot of dancing with that.
Yeah.
So, okay, jig
So
aerobics.
bring the kids, it's going to be a good time.
And where is it going to be held, Dr. Kelly?
Well, actually, the jig aerobics is that all in? That's more of a 100 Black Women
Okay.
event. But the health fair will be at the mini dome on Southern's campus, the FG Clark Activity Center.
Yeah.
Okay, and from 11 to 3.
Yes.
But then I know this is, you all are also using this kind of talk about, I guess, the importance of the maternal health summit. Is that correct?
Yes, we will be having Judge Glenda Hatchett. She's going to be a virtual speaker during Black Maternal Health Week, but we're going to kick it off at the health fair. We're going to have a maternal health panel, and it's going to have Senator Regina Barrow, and we're going to talk about just the importance of maternal health. And so April is all about health for us. So we're going to have this health fair, and then we're going to have our maternal health virtual event. So anybody can come to that because it's going to be online.
Okay. Well, Dr. Kelly, was there something that you want to make sure that you add in reference to that?
Sure. Well, I would like to just give credit to the program. The USDA Nutrition Hub is the first in the country, right here in Baton Rouge. And I always say, if Louisiana can do it, anybody can do it.
Okay.
So we are about promoting health and wellness in addition to fighting food insecurity throughout the whole state. So all 64 parishes are involved in this effort. And I built the program based on 5 pillars of feeding, growing, healing, advancing, and sustaining. And we're using non-traditional partnerships to work with all of us in building food, or fighting food insecurity, and building pathways to partnerships like workforce development that create diverse dietetic programs, and also even things that are kind of outside of the norms, building veterinarians who specialize in animal nutrition, and they cross over to policy and to other different areas. So we are excited about building and sustaining something that's going to grow with Louisiana.